rich people 4 months ago. The same place, the same moment, I started this billionaire challenge. From $50,000, I challenged myself to make it become $500,000. And today, my account already at $400,000. So in this special episode, I will share to you my life trade, my technique. Hopefully, you can learn a lot. So stay tuned and let's talk about it. The whole game in this billionaire challenge, most of the time, I trade on gold. I'm using the money magnet secret strategy that you can also learn from theastronacci.com. We have special course for this money magnet strategy. So I choose gold because I really love the volatility. In this episode, you will see I did my 2 trades. One is overnight trades. I made a trading plan, sell the gold based on the chart pattern with the money magnet secret. And the other trade was a live trading with the billionaire challenge member. We were so lucky because when we were online, I was teaching them about the strategy, how to enter gold and how to make a trading plan. Then suddenly I saw a beautiful price action formation. It's like continuation from the rising wedge using the momentum strategy and also the moving average. Of course, like I said, the money magnet secret is the main strategy from the whole story of this billionaire challenge. So you will see how I put my entry point, how I use the pattern like a rising wedge, and how I use the stochastic indicator to make sure that I will jump into a sell trade this time. $50,000 to $400,000 in 4 months is not an easy game. I cannot always make money on that. Sometimes I have to take like $11,000 losses, 5 to 6 grand losses, and I share it in previous videos. But the point is, if you have a solid strategy, good money management, and you know when to enter the market, because I'm using Mercury retrograde, Sun in Capricorn cycle. Both of those cycles help me so much to make a lot of money. And today, January 2021, you know, the 31st of January 2021, the Mercury retrograde will happen again. I will hardly buy gold this time because, you know, I found that the Mercury retrograde gives a bullish bias to gold market. Hopefully, February or March to 2021, I can get my $500,000 profit from my 50 grand. Okay, so let's go learn and see how I conduct a live trade with all billionaire challenge members. Rich people, welcome back to the Billionaire Challenge, the new episode of our trade within the Sun in Capricorn. And today I'm in the Bali safari and enjoying my holiday, also doing the trading for gold. So there is amazing opportunity here. If you can see, there was a big gap of the gold, right? And now we're waiting for the gap been closed. So I did a sell trade on the 5-minute chart because, you know, the price already fall down, hit the resistance, and now it looks likely making a new lower high. So I put 5 lots at the first time, and hopefully the price will go down all the way to the gap, maybe 1 or 2 days from now. And the other consideration is hourly chart stochastic already at oversold area, and it looks like want to create a bearish reversal, right? So I'm selling now. Now is the 4th of January 2021, 12:10 p.m. Bali time, GMT +8, and let's see what's gonna happen. I already distribute the signal through A Club Academy. It is a sell trade here, right? So let's see what's gonna happen next, okay? Stay tuned. Okay guys, here we are in the 11th section, a place that we can feed the elephant here. Okay, it's so beautiful. We feed the elephant, guys. While waiting the price go down, let's enjoy elephant feeding. Okay guys, so this is the elephant. Her name is Bella. She's really happy to feed the elephant here. Woo. Okay guys, now it's 2 p.m. and finally gold successfully tumbled. Okay, but it's not significant yet. I just make like little pips, about $500. And now we're doing a safari trip. Well, maybe you're gonna ask me, why did you sell in the middle of bullish trend? So that's what we call a counter trend trading, because of there's a huge gap, and we believe that in gold market is 95% always close within a week. It means if we buy the gold at this moment, that will be very risky. Okay, so it's better for now we take a sell position until gap close, and finally we can make money, then we switch again to buy. Okay, all right, enjoy the trip guys. So this is the bull. Every time we always see the bullish trend, so that's the bull. Alright guys, after we enjoying the safari, the bad news is the bullish trend still take control, and I have to cut it now. About $1,500. So let me cut my position now. I will back to sell later, but for now let's do a stop and reverse. Okay, I will put 6 slots and buy. The target price will be 1942. I think that will direct to 1942 this time. Based on the 4-hourly chart, stochastic is still bullish. Okay, candle is still strong. So I guess the 1900 gap will be closed later, not now. Okay, so I also update the A Club Academy to have a stop and reverse, and hopefully they follow that. The stop loss will be 1918. All right, hopefully this trade will go smooth. Gold will go up faster. You just wait for the next trade, okay? The next result. So while waiting gold to back to the bullish trend, we take a break here and get some lunch and ready for the next challenging moment in gold market. Enjoy. Tiger feeding, yeah, and after this we go for tiger feeding while waiting the gold market, okay? Enjoy. While waiting the goal again, we want to play around with the gate. We play with the tiger and lions. Okay. Okay guys, now we try to fit the tiger above me. Oh, so I touched the belly. Wow. Okay, now after we're feeding the tiger, I just checked the goal. It's a plus 1800 now. It's a pretty great recovery. Really happy during the holiday. Keep trading. Keep leading the A Club Academy and keep making money. Now we're heading to the lion area and you will see how to feed lion. Okay guys, now this is the big time. We're gonna feed this lion. Let's check it out. Alright guys, after the lion feeding, now you can see $4,000 over here. $4,000 in hand. Amazing. I'm really happy, really happy. You know, the cut loss is very important. If the market went wrong, it's not like just what you expect before. Just cut it and reverse it. Boom. $4,000 is 70 pips already. Okay, so that's the first part of Billionaire Challenge, this episode. After this, I'm enjoying my evening in this safari and then back to hotel and make some trading plan for you. All right, now we're back to the hotel. I'm walking and amazingly it's already 4,900. It's about $5,000. I want to secure the profits. I'll show you. Okay, $5,000 now. I'll take wow, it's still strong, Wow, it's so strong. For 5,700 guys. 1934. So let me take partial during the strong momentum here. Let me put, I take about 4 lots. Close now. Thank you, MRG Premier is so fast. So the balance is already above before I cut the position. So today I got $2,200, okay? So on my way to the hotel, hopefully 1942 will be hit. This beautiful trade. Cut loss, stop and reverse, that's a lesson for you. And after the upside target price got hit, I'm trying to sell, waiting for the price close the gap. So that's the plan for this evening. Let's back to the hotel and back to the laptop. Really enjoy in safari, trading and make money. All right, rich people, welcome back. I already at hotel and I'm really surprised. Now the time is 8:48 p.m. Jakarta time, and that is GMT 7 and this is GMT 8, 20:48. Amazing. Gold already hit. Let's see. Okay, 1941.4. It's like perfect thing, right? Now I'm gonna take profit all. The price hit the target price. I'm gonna secure this profit for the last part. Boom. MRG Premier, so fast. All right, this episode is pretty quick. Okay, enter the market and got a stop loss
and suddenly reverse position. So this is my balance. I got 39, 28, it's about 68, maybe $7,000 minus 1,004. Okay, I'm really happy because I secure my account is about $5,000. I will continue to trade on this sun in Capricorn, but before that, as usual, I'm gonna give you tips how to riding the trend and how to handle the mentality when you feel nervous or when you feel not comfortable because the price is moving sideways. Okay, in the previous episode 13, I made this special for Indonesian trader. I'm using Bahasa Indonesia, so I did a live trading plan over here.
Udah lihat yang waktu saya ngomongin tentang
okay,
pasti hancur, nggak mungkin nggak hancur.
So this is a YouTube live. I made a trading plan. I already prepare special translation for you. You can read the text. So I will replay this episode in specific part that I gave my outlook about gold. Okay, so what's this?
Sun in Capricorn itu membuat gold bergerak di dalam kondisi bullish. Dan kita bisa perhatikan secara kasat mata aja. Marketnya up weekly. Kelihatan arahnya ke atas. Kepala cangkulnya di sini. Jadi tren besar, swing besarnya itu kayak begini. Nah, kepala cangkulnya ke atas. Oke. Ini udah kebentuk. Polanya falling wedge. Terus kemudian momentumnya sudah ada weekly golden cross dan ini harusnya 3-4 minggu harusnya masih bisa ngegas lagi ke atas. Nah, kalau kita lihat patternnya, ini lebih ke falling wedge di weekly. Terus kemudian dengan financial astrology-nya kita bisa kelihatan Sun in Capricorn 80% bull. Terus kemudian akhir daripada Januari itu akan ada Mercury retrograde lagi. Jadi kayak ada dua hal yang bisa ngebuat dia tuh bullish. Dan prediksi saya sebelumnya, kalau kalian udah lihat yang waktu saya ngomongin tentang Joe Biden, DXY itu harusnya ke 83. Tuh, saya udah garisin tuh 83. Ini harusnya akan kena. Jadi diingat-ingat ya, mudah-mudahan kalau diizinkan sama yang di atas, ini akan 83 ini harusnya kena. Artinya kalau misalnya dia nyampe 83, goldnya kemana guys? Goldnya kan harusnya kan benar-benar akan meledak ke atas kan. Nah, ini yang kita perhatikan. Jadi roadmap untuk minggu depan, saya akan gas lagi ini account supaya bisa nyampe, paling nggak saya dapat $50.000 lagi profit karena masih di dalam Sun in Capricorn. Ya. Saya akan hajar goldnya di buy. Terus saya turunin ke H4 nih sekarang. Ini weekly, saya turunin ke H4. Ini buat entry. Nah, entry-nya tadi saya sudah briefing di E-Club. Mohon maaf, hari ini saya cuma akan memberikan roadmap. Untuk entry-nya saya akan bagikan di E-Club. Itu adalah privilege teman-teman E-Club. Tapi idenya adalah gold itu secara tren besar dia akan masuk di dalam kondisi bullish dan saya akan ngegas buy dan itu terbentuk sebuah base formation di sini yang harusnya bisa meletup. Bagaimana alternate plan-nya? Kalau dia terjebak sideways lagi, maka saya mungkin akan cut atau akan diam sebentar dan saya akan ngejar menunggu gold itu turun, oke, di area yang banyak multiple rejection-nya yakni di sini. Ya, antara 1865 sekian bisa aja kan dia drop lalu naik lagi. Tapi secara keseluruhan kalau kita lihat di sini udah banyak banget tahanannya. Artinya, kalaupun gold nanti ternyata gagal, dia balik sideways lagi, saya akan tunggu yang namanya momentum indicator ini nyampe ke area oversold. Kalau kita perhatikan di H4 sendiri, itu ada pola seperti cup and handle atau scallop pattern. Ini penting untuk kalian lihat. Ini scallop pattern nih, tuh. Rounding bottom, biasanya rounding bottom kayak gini, ini akan jebolin ke atas, terutama pada saat ini kakinya lebih tinggi. Dan kalau kakinya lebih tinggi, ini kan mirip sebenarnya kayak ascending triangle kan. Nah terus baru kita ngomong sekarang kalau ini skenario udah jadi, dan dalam kondisi apa menginvalidate, itu artinya membatalkan skenario bullishnya. Ya ketika dia benar-benar drop di bawah 1850 dan terus di bawahnya ada EMA 90, itu nggak boleh. Artinya apa? Anda anggap ini akan masuk di dalam kondisi yang bearish ya. Nah, sekarang kalau kita bicara target price. target price yang bisa kita perhatikan di dalam siklus kali ini udah jelas kan? Di sini ada multiple rejection. Ini nggak bisa dipungkiri, 1970 itu menjadi area yang penting sekali untuk Anda amati karena ini ada strong resistance. Dan saya akan memperkirakan kira-kira 700 pip ini bisa diselesaikan dalam waktu Januari ini. Dan ini kalau kita tarik external retracement Fibonacci 2618-nya itu pas kena di area sini, ya. Di 1970 itu maksimal. Jadi jangan kalau nggak nyampe marah-marah. Apapun itu nanti selama ke daily stochastic-nya masih up, ini harusnya masih kuat ya. Anda bisa cari buying position selama dia tidak turun di bawah trendline yang ini, ya di bawah 1870 tadi itu harusnya masih kuat. Kalau Anda perhatikan ada gap up. Saya udah bagikan strateginya di Club Academy, ya. Tapi yang jelas sekarang kita nggak akan bicara entry. Saya kasih Anda direction-nya. 70% up, 20% sideways chance-nya, 10%-nya masuk dalam bearish. Jadi itu plan-nya untuk Billionaire Challenge kali ini. Saya akan cari entry-nya untuk mengembangin akun saya lagi. Ini posisi saya udah bersih. Besok saya akan gunakan time frame M30 untuk cari the best position. Bisa di area sini saya masuk, bisa di EMA 90-nya. Tinggal kita lihat.
Alright, so whatever I gave in previous episode is completely well done. The gold rose significantly, and now I want to find my re-enter position. But remember, we got very huge gap over here, and it could likely be close soon. And the 4-hourly charts already hit the oversold area. It means the bullish trend will not be so long. And we have 1946. That's for the maximum to 61.8. If I want to do like very speculative trade on this, I can just put like maybe one lot, put it here. It's just like a speculative, guys, because I just want to catch this last wave. That's why I secure my position first, get my balance in, then it's nothing to lose for me, okay? So I will put the stop loss manual, but for now, let's put it here, just in case this breaks the 4-hourly chart, the candles. Okay, so I just give little upside here, maybe 1948. Okay, so that's a plan. 261.8, the Fibonacci external retracement is non-negotiable. I have to exit and wait until the price back to the secondary reaction, which is back to the EMA or close the gap. Okay, then I will rebuy at that point. So in this Sun in Capricorn, remember, I made around $70,000 in this trading gold. Okay. All right. So I think this episode, the trading is only like this. I will brief you about my technique and how to handle your mentality. How can you learn about all this stuff? We have very great program for you. All right. So that's all for today.
Welcome back to the Billionaire Challenge. Today we will trade gold, and the trade will be a sell. Why do I have to sell? If you can see here, it's very clear rising wedge pattern and bearish divergence here. So I plan to enter with maybe 15 to 20 lots. Now let me show you. I have 3 lots already here, and if I want to add more position, I can just add 1 lot here, sell, because the price just breaks the trend line. Okay, I'm gonna put 15 minutes chart and see the price drops, breaks the diagonal trend line. Then when it continues down below this diagonal trend line, okay, we're gonna continue sell it. All right. Okay, so what is the target price? Let's use this. 1791, that will be the minimum target price, because we also found the gap in 1786. Okay, then I think this is the best time for us to start selling gold and just wait until the major rising wedge breaks. Okay, now it's 8:11 p.m. the 13th of January, the new moon phase, and you know the new moon is most likely turns the price down. It's going down, going up. This is a little secondary reaction, and meet with the new moon phase, we believe this will be the reversal for gold. Okay, let's wait and see what's gonna happen next.
Well guys, welcome back. This is 11:13 a.m. the 14th of January. I'm really happy finally gold dropped as expected, and before it dropped, the price went up, so I can get my another entry. It was 8 lots, 1858 around here. Okay, the consideration is, we know before it drops, breaking the rising wedge. Okay, let me show you. Alright, so this is the rising wedge that we planned since last night. The price drop here, I enter, and it took a while. The price backed up and making another lower high, and this is the key level of lower high, the market structure here, and making another lower high. At this point, I enter for a new sell. Okay, once the candle breaks down and it shows the confirmation of lower highs, and I put another 8 lots like I mentioned before. I want to re-enter when the gold rises back, and I'm holding it now. The price makes another secondary reaction, so what I'm trying to do now, I will take these profits all, okay, and maybe just put like 2 lots left. I'll take this 13,000 and let's see, we should wait until, actually we should wait here. There will be another break, I guess, but the key point is the stochastic on the 4-hourly chart. So in this episode, after I clean this position, we're going to talk about the technique, more detail, more consideration, why I enter this trade, and this episode will be a great education video for you. Okay, like I said, the new moon completely turns the gold down. Okay, and this is the peak, this is the new moon, and the price making a swing high is confirmed by now. Okay, so that's very easy. Every new moon will be the best opportunity for you to enter gold. We wait until the reversal, the turning point happen, and we can enter to either buy or sell. Completely depend on whatever the position or the market structures at that time. So the new moon will be the best strategy, one of the best strategy in gold trading. All right. Okay, now let me take this. I want to secure a profit first because I really need to pump the equity. It's already 4 months since the first billionaire challenge. September 7th was the first. I started with $50,000 and trade 14th of September. Now it's the 14th, exactly 4 months, and I'm really happy, thanks God. Now it's becoming my equity is $394,000. It's beautiful. It's 4 months, guys. This is because I know how to optimize the Sun in Capricorn cycle, and next the 31st of January will be the Mercury retrograde, so I will hit hard, make a buy trading. Okay, the gold is going up, so let me take this first. I don't want to. Okay, let's take 6 slots. Boom. Wow. Okay, now it's $391,000 from 50,000. I will leave this position. Let's take another one lot. So skip it, one lot here. So this is great trade, right? It's like 169 points. This is too early for me to wake up. It's like a 9:30. Still sleep. Okay, now it's 18. It was 18:31. Okay. All right. So that's a plan. It's already 4 months, and hopefully we can make more money. After this, we're gonna talk about how we do the bearish continuation trade with a rising wedge pattern, and I may want to re-enter. I'm just putting here like a sell. Let's see, I may sell here or cancel it later, but at least let me put it here. Why? This is 50% off the secondary reaction. Just wait. If the price drops and the 4-hourly chart stochastic is still showing a bearish momentum, so everything should be okay. All right, so let's jump into the class, the Billionaire Challenge class.
All right, guys, welcome back. So 9:42 p.m. Today is the special class for you who attend to the Billionaire Challenge program. Before we start the class, I can see another opportunity to sell on gold. So let me put 5 lots here. Boom. I sold gold, and I already update that to the A Club Academy. I put standby on the stop loss. Okay, 5 lots on that. Wow, that's dropped pretty strong. Okay, let me put another 0.3 lots on my small account. Yep, 3 lots over here. Then I'm gonna discuss why. Whoa, that's dropped, guys. That's dropped. That's a real life trade now. Okay. Then we're gonna discuss why we have to sell it now. Okay, let me update here. Okay, I'm just saying that if you are not getting any chance to enter, the maximum is 45. 1845 can be your entry. Okay. Okay, then we will talk about why we sell now and why previously in this episode I was sold the gold. Okay, so welcome to the Billionaire Challenge special class for everybody here. Anyone can hear my voice? You can chat. Okay guys, this also will be a live trading. I already sold gold 5 lots, 1845, 46. Now let's put an update for the target price. This should be very interesting. You know why? Because you see, I have been waiting so long since the first trade I got here, the rising wedge. It's not automatically down, but yep, now boom, stochastic's down, and if you can see here, it looks like a head and shoulder. Okay, 40 pips guys, 40 pips now. That's amazing, so amazing. This is quick trade. Anyone sold gold from Billionaire Challenge group? Tell me if anyone sell. Are you in? Good, very good. Yoo-hoo. Boom. Very nice. Arigato money. Good. Right, 40 guys, 40. Oh my god, beautiful live trade. And 188515. Okay, you should add 46. Beautiful trade. We are so lucky today. All right. Okay, so now you know how to secure the profits, but let's set what is the target price. If you already got like 60 pips, you should be able to take the profits now if you want, right? If you are not ready to hold and you want to secure and have a beautiful weekend, you can secure the profits.
Pretty quick trade. Okay, set of Fibonacci, external retracement 161.8. That's why it's 1815. 1815 is here, right? Does that make sense? That's why I put the target price. Everything is on my head already because I prepare for that trade. So 1815, exactly there. The first downside movement will be there. The stochastic for the 4-hourly chart is already bearish crossing. So now we already make like $2,000 in hand. Boom. Okay. This already 50 to 60 pips. It's up to you guys. If you want to secure it, you can take partially because this is take profit minimums, or if you want to hold, you can hold whatever you like. Okay. Just set a break even. Okay. Let's see what happened here. So everybody say arigato money. Okay, profits, good. Wow, see, 1,400 here. Boom. All right. Okay, let's go to the breakdown. Why on earth we sell gold at the first time on this episode? I put a mark here. Okay, this is a place where I sold gold. So the main reason is the price is moving on a bearish trend, moving below the moving average, and when we connect all the swing high here, what pattern you saw that time? What pattern you see now when I put this line? Anyone? Yes, exactly. That's rising weights. A beautiful, perfect setup for rising weights, isn't it? Right? So when you see this rising weights is unfolding, just be patient. Don't get rushed to enter. You know why? Because we need to wait until the 4-hourly chart making a bearish reversal on here on the stochastic. That's why if you see my entry area, okay, let me put on a pan. Here and here is typically very close to the dead cross of the stochastic. I'm using the 533 stochastic. So number one, you want to identify what is the pattern. Wow, 3,000 already. Beautiful. Okay, you want to identify where is the pattern and what is the pattern. Okay, the pattern was rising wedge and bearish reversal is here. And let's go to the 30 minutes chart. I sold it here. The reason I sold here, one position, two position, it wasn't too good, okay? I sold here because I thought that time the price will going down here and break the trend line. In gold market, breaking the diagonal trend line is the most important part. So I sold here one position, wow, $4,000. Crazy, crazy. Okay, and another one position here, but the price back up here. Okay, let me update the group first, guys. Sorry for that. 100 pips in hand. Congrats. Set break even, and our recap will be 100 pips for the take profit. The first take profit. All right. Now, let's take a look my third entry. I sold gold here, because the price is moving up again and making a lower high over here. Okay. This is not a lower high. So I'm waiting for any reversal candle. So I believe this was a reversal candle. If you see inverted hammer or pin bar. Okay. But before the pin bar, how do I know that the price will be moving like that? I put a Fibonacci and I'm waiting until it rejects on 78.6. So I dropped my time frame down to 15 minutes or even 5 minutes at a time. You see the price going to 786 Fibonacci and drop. Okay, so I sold it here. Boom, new candle, drop, I sold it. As simple as that. And not for so long, the price broke the diagonal trend line. Boom, going down. And I took all the profits here. What's the reason? It's very simple. I'm using the Fibonacci, the external retracement from here to here. All right. Then let me erase this. Okay, this will be 161.8 over here. You put here Fibonacci from down up, you can see 161.8. Why I took the profits here? Okay, because I saw the price was rejected when hit the golden ratio, making a pin bar, the bullish hammer, then going up again. So I clear all position. So that's the explanation why I sold gold at that point, right? And today, why I sell gold here is very clear. The price was consolidated. This is another consolidation area. Here, it's going up, making lower high, right? And crossing here. I have been very patient to wait the price going up like this. I'm not selling here until the 4-hour stochastic cross, and I just sold it here because I want to see another base. So it breaks down here, that's good, but base, that's absolute signal for gold. Break one diagonal trend line is one sign. Retest the trend line with a base like this. Trade what you see. That will be my sell trigger. Okay, boom, more than 100 pips, guys. Okay, you can take the profits. This is live trading for Billionaire Challenge, whatever you like. Now is 100 pips. If you want to secure the profits, let's take a half of your position. I'm gonna take 4 lots here. Boom. Arigato money. I secure the profits, guys. All right, it's almost $3,000. Okay, I will leave one lot here. Just let it be. Continue. I may want to take another position later. Maybe another 5 or 8 lots, but let's see. Okay. Anyone secure the profits now? How much money do you got? Tell me now. All right, for all the audience, this is Billionaire Challenge, a special club, special member club. Not many people can get invited here. Okay, how much money do you make? I know that 90 pips, 100 pips, at how many dollars, guys? Share to us. 1,500, beautiful. I love it. 160, okay, good, very good. $328 tonight. Bravo. Beautiful. Okay, so that's all. Very quick trade, but we have very great quality trade with this Billionaire Challenge episode 14. If you are interested to join us, feel free to join our Billionaire Challenge. I'm gonna give you all the contacts how to join this program soon after this. Okay, guys, thank you very much for joining. Keep consistent and watch this video over and over and over again. Wait for the momentum, then you can strike hard in the market and you can get money very easy like that. Okay, see you in the next episode. Hope you enjoy.
All right, so that's all for this episode. I'm really happy to share with you. I did my trade during my holiday, and this is the special episode because I can show you what is the perfect setup of gold trading. Sometimes we really need luck because if you see the beautiful rising wedge pattern below the EMA, yeah, the price dropped significantly just after we sold the gold, and also during my live trade with all the Billionaire Challenge members, you can see right away after we enter the sell trade, the price dropped like hell, right? Please save this video and always remember that if you want to make money, you always trade with the trend. We really want a perfect setup trade happens. You wait until the price moving in the participation pace according to the Dow theory, or if you learn the Wyckoff theory, this is like a marked up pace. Then you see the 4-hourly stochastic also show you a reversal, like a fresh reversal, and then the price action itself, the pattern. Okay, you see the massive breakout, you see a lower highs if you want to sell it. So that's really beautiful setup. It cannot happen every day, right? So you have to be patient, wait until whatever you see in this video happens, then you can strike hard. So you may ask how to learn about the strategy. We have special workshop for you. We call that Money Magnet Secret. You can visit our website, theastronacci.com. You can learn more and discover that this Money Magnet Secret already helped a lot of traders. Previously, they keep losing their money from trading, and now, since I trained them very hard to keep trading with the trend and how is the strategy to enter the market based on the price action, and also find a specific point to enter the market, now they grow and they're so happy, especially when you can join our live trading room. We call that A Club Academy. I give you live trading signals, more videos to learn about my strategy, and you will make at least 300 to 400 pips a month from gold or forex market. Finally, WhatsApp this number, talk with our trading consultant first, and ask them how Astronacci may help you. What is our program that can make you very rich from the market? You know, you cannot always win, but if you have a reliable trading system, you can survive and you can even grow your capital. 50 grand to $400,000. Now, this is the time for me to bring this $400,000 into $550,000. Then I make 500 grand in gold on forex market in just 7 or 8 months. Well, enjoy this episode and see you in the next episode of Billionaire Challenge.